Hey Danielle, how's it going?
Great.
Yeah, what's up?
You know, about to go skydiving.
Wait. You're about to go skydiving.
Yeah.
Who'd you lose a bet to? You gotta be crazy to do that.
You know, nobody. My dad convinced me to do it.
Oh, okay, so this is all his fault.
Yeah, it is.
He's responsible for all this. All right, well, who do you have here that's jumping with you today besides your dad?
I have Tyler Blaine, my boyfriend.
Awesome.
We're gonna go, so that's gonna be fun.
Were you excited?
Oh, absolutely.
Nervous?
A little bit.
All right, well, we'll see how this goes. I guess since you, I guess since you go skydiving, that explains your outfits here. I mean, matching jumpsuits, unless this is what you wear on a regular basis, you know.
Yeah, basically, this is how we go out on dates normally.
All righty, hey, whatever floats your boat. All righty, just remember to relax, have fun, enjoy the ride. Next time we see you, we'll be getting on the plane.
All right.
Danielle, we're at 4,000 feet. We're getting ready to be a mile up. What's going through your head right now?
I'm so excited. This is gonna be so fun.
Awesome. How about you, Ed? What's going through your head? Where are we again? All right, do you have anything you want to say to anybody on the ground before you make your jump?
Well, I love you guys. I hope I come back home.
All righty, just remember to relax, have fun, enjoy the ride. Next time we see you, we'll be going out the door.
Got it.
Awesome job, Danielle. How was that?
That was so fun.
Awesome. Why don't you take your helmet and goggles off so we can prove it's you and not a stunt double that just did that? Awesome job. High five. Why don't you give your dad a hug for getting you to the ground safely? Awesome.
No, that way.
There you go. Alrighty. Glad you enjoyed your jump. Thanks for jumping at Skydiving Monroe. Hope to see you back here real soon.